Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. So this one is about SEO and about Pinterest. That might be surprising to you because most time folks think about Pinterest and the images or the videos themselves, but there is an SEO impact to that. So if we go ahead and do a search for something like electrician and then we just put a zip code after it, right? First thing we see is a couple ads, and that's to be expected. And we see the map and the business listings, and then we start into the organics. Right, so the organic shows first the website, and that's fine. Another website. Then we see Yelp, that's fine. And we see a competitor. Right, then we see the images. Now here comes the interesting part for Pinterest, because you'll notice all the rest of these, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of the links on the first page when searching for electrician in a given zip code, 4 of those links are taken up by Pinterest links. Okay, so if we take a look, here's another thing that's even helpful, and I'll go ahead and open up all these in a separate tab. And if we take a look at those, here we see that that tab that's opened up, that new link, is for the business, their Pinterest page. Why? Well, because they have tons of images for that specific search, right? The next one, right? Still, all the links that go back to that same business. Go to the next one. Same thing, right? Article, and it's by this, and if we click it, of course, it will go ahead and go to that Pinterest. And here's one more. Again, article from Harris Electric. So this was a great way to keep your competitors off of the first page simply by making really good posts inside of Pinterest. So, right, Pinterest can work two ways. Number one, great images and great video, which may bring people to your website. But the other thing is in search results, right? If we make good Pinterest boards and pins and pages and videos, then we go ahead and we can push competitors off of the first page search results. Why? Just because we made good content for Pinterest, right? So that's a great SEO tip, and I hope this helped in encouraging you to create better Pinterest things, even if it's not maybe in your wheelhouse to make Pinterest pins, to make images, and to make videos, but to help you to push competitors off of that first page. Thanks, and I hope this helps.